'Cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Good morning, sunshines. Oh my gosh, I woke up and I was like, I have to do a vlog today. I totally forgot that I owe you guys a video on Wednesday, so I was like, I have to do a video. But I was like, just like, let me put, I'm gonna prop you guys up right up here. Yeah, so I woke up and I was like, I have to do a video today. And I kind of like, hold on, I kind of was like laying in bed all day because I kind of like in my feelings. I don't know why I'm in my feelings. I'm just in my feelings today. And I'm like, oh, it's almost 2 o'clock, and I'm like, I can't let the day just like slip away. I was just like laying there and I was talking to God, and I was like, God, I was like basically on the verge of tears. Like, well, I did cry. I was crying. And he was just like, get up and make a video. You love to do that. You enjoy doing that. So why not do that? So I got up, washed my face, brushed my teeth, even though it doesn't look like it. Still look like crap, but it's okay. Brush my hair, and I'm gonna show up for my kids today. You know what I mean? I have to show up. I gotta be there. I gotta, you know what I mean? So anyway, anywho, bit of an update. My husband's second job that he is at now, come to find out, they are really racist. Like, they're flat out racist. Like, he asked my husband, so are you racist? And my husband is like giggling, not even knowing that these people are legit serious. He was like, no. He was like, what do you think about black people? He was like, they're okay. I don't have a problem with them. But I'm like, dude, you didn't even tell him that you were married to a black woman. Like, you kind of like disowned me on my own over there. But then again, I'm like, they don't know that, so they really don't need to know that, unless, you know, I don't know. But what's up with all these racist people nowadays? Like, they're just like slowly like walking out of the woodworks. Like, I don't know. Like, people are just openly now just racist. Like, I don't know how to feel. I guess that's just what's been making me sad. It's just that him texting me now that these people are also racist, and it kind of gets to me because now I feel, I don't know, I feel some kind of way because I've never experienced racism before outside of, you know, people staring at me all weird when I go out with my husband, and I don't make the connection that, hey, this is, well, he can pass for a white man, but he's not white, he's Hispanic. That this is a white man walking next to a black woman and we have biracial children. I don't make the connection. I don't, because I don't see race. I don't see my husband for who he is. I genuinely, and I don't even know why I have to say genuinely, love my husband. I fell in love with who he was. I dated a black guy. I dated an Italian. I dated many different kind of races, you know. It's just who I fell in love with at the time. Well, I was a stalker, but I don't know what's up with all these people just walking out of the woodwork these days. And I kind of like, I don't know if it's fear, because that's why I was talking to God, and I was like, you didn't give me the spirit of fear. That didn't come from you, so I want you to take it away from me before it starts to eat me alive. I don't want it to eat me alive. I don't want it to consume me. I don't want other people's problem to become me, you know. I have this tendency where any little thing can get the best of me, you know, and I don't want that. I don't want that. So I'm gonna make me something to eat. I lost 3 pounds on my diet, just to let you guys know. I'm back on my low carb diet thing. So I lost 3 pounds, 21, 24, no, 4 pounds. I lost 4 pounds this week. And I think it's just water, you know, retention, or is it water retention? I think it's just water weight, because I was eating so much stuff with high sodium amounts, so my body was like hogging water. So I haven't even drank a glass of water since morning. Is it drink or drink? I don't know. English is not my first language. Yes, it is. I struggle because I always second guess myself when I'm speaking, and it's like, why do you do that? Just I don't know. But anywho, we're not doing anything today. VBS is in a couple of hours, and all my children are either on some form of... Madison is sleeping. I hope I was recording all this time. Why is this TV so loud? Oh man, they're painting on our balcony.
They did that.
And they moved a lot of stuff around, so I have a lot of things to clean. I'm so tired. So tired. Do you guys get tired of life? Because I get tired. I'm about to have me a Lara bar. I'm about to try the cashew cookies. I don't know how I feel about all this Lara bar stuff. It has a lot of I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what to eat anymore. What do you want, Destiny? Look at this vein in my chest. What do you want?
You're so frozen.
Get out of my things! Get out of my things!
Piggybacker.
No, please don't. I'm like, let me go back to my room because I gotta talk to you guys again. So we are, I don't know, what's up with my eyebrows? I look kind of sketchy. You can't trust people with sketchy eyebrows, you know? You never trust a person. I have the biggest forehead, like I have the biggest forehead. Like I need something going on here, because you can travel across my forehead. But I'm just saying, you just kind of have to talk and hold my head like this because my forehead is like so big. But we're thinking of calling off the home buying process. And I don't know if you guys ever feel this way, where it feels like you're standing on wet cement waiting for it to dry, so you feel anchored. That's how I feel. I feel like I don't have a foundation, like stability anymore, you know. And I'm the one that deals with finances, and once we hit a certain level, once we hit a certain level with our savings and our personal account and stuff like that, fear and panic starts to set in my chest, where it just feels like it's just squeezing, and I'm just like, can't breathe, you know. And I'm like, girl, if you don't stop this, you're gonna give yourself a heart attack. But I just kind of like, I'm just to a point where I'm just telling myself, you know, one day at a time, you know. And I just went ahead and paid our tithes, because I was supposed to do it and I've been procrastinating. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead, pay our tithes, because bills are coming up on the 28th of this month, is when the bulk of our bills start to go out. And I am so fearful for the 28th to show up. Like, girl, you know, like, I don't know. But God knows what he's doing. There's this thing that says man's rejection is God's protection. So thank you, Lord, for your protection, and whatever it is that you're protecting us from, because we don't know what we're doing as mankind. Anyways, guys, I think this is gonna be it, because I don't want to get negative with my videos, and I don't want to come on here and be, you know, negative Nancy. I don't want to be a negative Nancy, and I don't want to bring anyone down, especially if you're walking in faith with God and you're like, you know, learning to trust and stuff. It's kind of hard to see someone that says, profess, you know, that they trust in God to be, you know, exhibiting fear and all of that. But yeah, that's what the homegirl over here is dealing with. But it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, because tomorrow is another day. And today, while I still have life and I still have breath in my body, I can be thankful. I can be thankful because I woke up today. I woke up today, even though I woke up with so much stress and, you know, and bills and everything. I woke up today. I woke up today. Some man didn't get to wake up today to fear and worry and money problems and stuff, but he didn't get to, but I did. You know, some rich man didn't get to wake up and he had money, you know what I'm saying, but I did. But I woke up today. I got up today, and that's because God favors me. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? He woke me up today for a reason. So you have to be thankful for the little things, just the little things in life. And that's what I'm thankful for today, is my life. That I was able to roll out of my bed, my feet work. When I stood up on them, I didn't collapse over. When I took a breath, it wasn't the last thing out of my body. It wasn't the last, what I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but you get what I'm trying to say. When I woke up, I had a sane mind. A sane mind, and I was okay, and I am okay, and I will be okay. So with that said, guys, I'm sorry today's video was not a vlog, but I just wanted to give you guys something, and I don't want to walk around here and pretend like, you know, everything is honky-dory and peachy. And so I will talk to you guys on Monday. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine, and I will talk to you guys on Monday. Bye.